You've seen the ads promising to get you out of a bad loan. Well, not all of them are legit. Now a new law could better protect you.
#1 newscast at noon. Channel 8 Eyewitness News in HD.
Help is on the way for consumers who are struggling to stay in their homes and avoid foreclosure. A new law passed during the legislative session now makes it illegal for businesses to perform loan modifications without a license. Channel 8 Eyewitness News reporter Janet O is live at the Bradley building where the meeting just wrapped up. Janet?
Well, Denise, the bill is certainly unique, and this is meant to crack down on businesses who have been taking advantage of people who are in risk of losing their homes. Now, today, the details of the bill were being discussed via telephone conference in Carson City with the Commissioner of the Division of Mortgage and Lending. This is the department which will be overseeing the regulation of loan modification and foreclosure consulting. Now, what this new law means is that all businesses will have to go through a background check and pay a fee for a license under the new regulation. These are just some of the provisions, though. Industry experts who fill the room are in agreement that this is something that was greatly needed in the Las Vegas community, as foreclosure rates are one of the highest in the country.
We're educated on how to do it because I've done real estate, I've done loans, and this is by far the most complicated thing because everyone really is an individual with many facets in their life that are going on financially and emotionally that need to be taken into account when finding a solution.
Consumers really need this help. Everyone and every system that we have out there seems to be against the consumer, and now with this new legislation, the state has stepped up to provide another protection plan for the consumer. Help.
Any recommendations and input heard today by the Commissioner will then go to legislators, then the Governor for final approval if changes need to be implemented. Now, AB152 was passed back in May. The regulations could take effect as soon as August. Reporting live, Janet O, Channel 8 Eyewitness News.
Janet, I imagine there must be some sort of penalties or something for businesses who don't comply, right?
Yeah, well, absolutely, Denise. The penalties are actually also one of the things on the agenda to be discussed on what exactly those would be. But basically, if a consumer goes into a business and they see that they don't have a license and they're trying to work on their loan modification, then they can report that business, and that business will face some stiff penalties.
All right, Janet, thanks so much for that update. Certainly going to affect a lot of people. Other news.